Whoa, they're Hays.
Here's...
Got matching set, guys. Woo!
Yeah! Yeah! Who's this?
TJ's.
Who's that?
They're for you.
Yeah. Who's this shirt?
Oh, look, that shirt, hey?
Who's this shirt?
That's a nice one. It's Hayden.
Ooh, wee. Why you creative? Hayden's. Who's this?
I think.
Who's this shirt?
Oh, I think that's Hayes too.
Too. Who's this?
Oh, you gotta open that.
Yeah.
Daddy has to help you with that.
Yeah, you help me with this.
What else is in there? I think I see socks for the baby.
What is it? Open up this thing. Except there's something in here.
Hold on one sec, stop.